Suryanarayana, and I take this opportunity to request the President. Mr. Suryanarayana has been awarded National Excellence Achievers Award, which is by the organization Well-Read Foundation, Certificate of Excellence. This is, given for outstanding contribution in anthology leadership. So I request our President and Vice President also to kindly honor him with this certificate. Yeah, and his better half is there. Lakshmi, please quickly come. Sorry to bother you. He has got a lot of penchant for doing such things, and I know especially he's a very tech-savvy guy. From probably Raghu will accept that none of us will match him also.
Absolutely.
Even the younger generation cannot match at this age.
Babu.
I thank the President, the Vice President and all the dignitaries for allowing me to do this honor to Mr. Suryanarayana.